Yeah.
We have planning.
Over of Yagba, and you. I'm also Ken University, going to my university, like once. Yeah, oh, Tamabu to Yanchiba, Apura Mari, Alakayo, na Yanda to Nakbura. Ko, oh, me, senior harbor, Mavanita Pamakbo, Mavagri. Ko, New Tapamakbo, and you have a project, la Keta Defense Project, ye Yahama Ko, near Tapayamakbo, Yami Keta Defense Project 20 years ago, my Bleno. Hey, Tapoyamaka Bonitoya, Yami a Tongonga, but I'm gonna say you're a Chapumaha, Yamaga Bleno. Konunyaro Yokowe, Aleko, Namia Kurera, Ikwe. Kabo receive a message at me. La bonne tohopo of Mikatamiela, la Puej, La Fupueja of Pamela, Mashamakwe. Da Okwe, Okwe Dama. David, Yakpomana la Fiago General, JSS student, upon to a few Pala Puvamanchi, da Okwe Dama, open ye, Obibia, correct one so.
I ought to school at Jaha, oh, at the year at the Vada school. Keta, Ugavatira, Hubama. Havatira Hubama, Ugavutia, Achagavara, Sukuho, Ugatu Bubura Vamani, Net Obutia Chapwagna, Adana, Sukuho, Canal Squamanami, Urona Squapoji, Minona Fama, no Mia Gofi, Mivana Suku, Tamara Kukuba, Mia Wonu Chinami. Que anya ke grami la mi koda Thomasia madashiraji tanami we yomuka chavu momia mi akpo rere mi no school mi anu nusron bashiago takbanani.
I'm a student of Keta Senior Technical School. Okay, from our schools, from our lessons, from our schools, we learned about coastal erosions, which we be made aware of that is caused by coastal waves and tides from the sea, which destroy people along the coast, the settlements, farmlands, and many other things along the coast. So today we be here, we learned a lot of things from our elders, from our chief fishermen, and I really appreciate the fact that we are given this opportunity to come and learn more. Thank you.
If you are a body called Bora if you are the moon, she bought a pota. I got come your boy, Jesus, Naka, Silina, Naka, how much of magic, a bottom.